Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. When I was a teenager, I was in the same class at school as the daughter of a very well-known and much loved musician. Being a very decent, down-to-earth kind of bloke, this musician decided to not send his children to some fancy public school, but instead to send them to the local state school, which is where I was. After school, we lost touch, but I do know that the daughter in question became a well-known and quite successful photographer and filmmaker. And her mum had also been quite a successful photographer, quite a well-respected photographer. So I'm guessing that that connection gave her an in. If you talk about something giving you an in, it basically means you have some kind of influence or connections, some kind of advantage that comes from knowing powerful people, and this opens doors for you, particularly in terms of opening doors to a career. So maybe you might take a kind of 0 hours contract job working as a kind of gopher in the film industry, where you just run around going for this, going for that, getting things for people. The money's terrible, the work may be deadly dull, but you're doing it because it's an in to the film industry. In the same way, if a friend of the father of a friend of yours maybe works in a particular industry, they might be able to get you an internship with a newspaper or in government or something, and this might be an in to your future career. We also sometimes use it just to mean that you know people who can do favours for you. So maybe a friend of yours knows someone who works in the box office at one of the big theatres, and because they have this in, they have an in with someone at the theatre, they always get the best tickets. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see how you might use an in.